Welcome back to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create these cute, little, easy to do earrings. These are stud earrings. You can make these actually as clip-ons if you don't have the earring holes. You just need to get the clip-on hardware instead of purchasing the stud hardware. So let's begin. Now the first thing I get is the beads or the pearls or whatever you want to call them. I got these from Hobby Lobby, as you can tell, for clearance. They're by In Bloom. You can get any size. These are 16 mm's. Any size will work. And then I also got the stud earring hardware from Hobby Lobby. You can get this at Joann's, Michael's, anywhere that sells crafting supplies. So I have the studs and the backing. They all come in the same package. Hope you can see that. Again, like I said, you can buy the clip-on hardware. If you want to make clip-on earrings, you can buy any kind of stones. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these. I'm going to be using hot glue, but I prefer the E6000 over the hot glue because it's, you know, it's made for this type of thing. So let's begin. I'm going to be using these pink ones. Now, when you are making these, you can actually get creative. You can take your machine and cut out some small vinyl decals, letters, numbers, whatever, to place on these earrings. This is very easy and a very simple project, so I just go ahead and put my dab of glue there. Remember, E6000 is the better glue to use here, or whatever glue you use for jewelry. And then I'll just take my earring post, press down, take my back, put it on, and voila, I have one earring done. So this is like a 5-minute or less craft. Quick, simple, easy, and you actually can make some good money doing these. You can take some stones and you can put teams on it, names, whatever. And you can make these again, like I stated before. For those who don't have earring holes, you can make these as clip-ons. Just purchase the clip-on hardware at whatever craft store you visit. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can get notified when I do post videos. Thank you again.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving me things.